exorcism. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, just come and record this photo. Why it's haunted? Now, are you hungry? Hi, my name is Trisha Gupta and welcome back to my channel. So, I am exploring this art gallery called Try in Kolkata, and it's free entry. Everything is free and the interior is so good. This place is a hub for photo shoots. Sub photos ले रहे थे. It's free entry, AC, centralized AC, and the location is just so pretty. How can't you? It's so pretty. Sunlight bhi अच्छी है. Hi, I'm Trisha Gupta and I'm doing a day in my life. So currently I'm in a museum in Calcutta. So let's go. So right now they are having a exhibition representing furniture with art and creativity, and it's very dim here. So I have my flash on. So the guide here told me that this table over here, उसपे जो भी glasses हैं, they are not attached. It's something related to physics and how this glass stays still and there is water inside. I think this is like home decor stuff, and this shoes move, but currently they are not working, so they are still. This typewriter over here is so cute. Just look at it. I will surely love it in my vintage house or something. I don't have a vintage house, but this looks so good. I don't know why एक piece missing है यहाँ पे. I am so obsessed with these eggs. They are so shiny. I just want to pick one up, but we can't do that. Something to be a chair art kind of stuff.
Uh-huh. Don't you think that I can see you anxiously?
लिखा है वो जो ओल्ड फैशन है।
अच्छा ओल्ड. So ये आपका ड्रेसिंग रूम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है.
हाँ
So the guide here just told us कि this corner is supposed to represent a closet that represent like old fashioned stuff. So this dress here supposed to represent like old stains in your jacket something. I'm not that great at explaining, but that what he said. So I think the artist here, I'm not super sure, but I think the artist here wants to represent like furniture more than clothes and stuff, and they told me that this place have a exhibition after every 2 months, like a different exhibition after every 2 months, and if you want to stay updated, please check their website. So this location is divided in three floors. First, I showed you the second floor. The third floor is just for relaxing. There is a sitting area, and now we are going to ground. So now we are exploring the ground floor. Just look at this artwork. इधर भी दिख रही है. Just look at this artwork. I think it is made with like गाड़ी या something का engine and like metals. This whole carpet is made with metals and stuff, and this in real life looks so good. It was like दिवाली का किसी ने डेकोरेशन किया है, and this is supposed to represent a carpet with like parts and stuff with metal carpet. Right here we have this really good photo of a really pretty Indian lady in sari. Just look at her, she looks divine. And here we have some paintings. I am not sure, but I think it represent corporate work, especially this one. This one is my favorite. So I used to have a parrot who died recently, and they have parrot faces. I love this human body, parrot faces, green hands, and I think they are in like all suit up, and the crow is wearing pajamas. Here we have a parrot reading newspaper. I can notice the parrot is usually in the corporate uniform, like formals, and the crow is like in pajama and stuff. Like he's lazy with a lantern. I don't know why I find this human feels really funny over here. I really don't know why. And he's levitating exorcism. I'm so sorry for saying this stuff. Really sorry. Um, so here we have a art piece of locks, tala, and I think all are like rusted, old locks, like purane time ke. There are few like old design rusted locks, like colorful ones, and each and every one is rusted and like use of like waste products and making it art. And here we have a chair which is like you can't sit on it because I think it's made with like oon ka thread. Like I think so, I can't touch it, but it's like made with oon and stuff. I don't know you can sit on it or not. I don't think so it will be able to take the pressure. And on my back you can see it represent the dining area. So this is a dining area setup. It's so old Indian dining setup, and I don't know why they have like covered it with net. Like, oh, I think it this nets are supposed to uh, represent makdi ka chala, like spider ka ghar, because it's so old and they have like such pretty embroidery. They have made such pretty embroidery all over with like net, and I think it's own or whatever white thread. This is so good. I think it represent. I have not read what it's supposed to mean. I'm just trying to explain what I can get. So I think it represent makdi ka jala and a old dining table in an old setting, and there is a photo. Oh my god. Oh my god, just come and record this photo. Look at that portrait. Why it's haunted? It looks a bit haunted. There are two ladies. I don't know what this photo represent what, but there are two ladies and two black male figures. I mean, it's not two ladies and two male figures, all black, like dominating as scary looking. I don't know what it represents, but this portrait looks very interesting to me. डाइनिंग एरिया के साइड में वी हैव दिस फैन डेकोरेशन. फैन पे पर्ल्स यूज किए गए हैं, लाइक डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ मैट, नॉट शाइनी पर्ल्स, these आर मैट पर्ल्स, and they are stick like it's rotting, yeah, something type. It's old, broken. I think this area focus a lot in, I think this area focus a lot in like old house, like old house. I think this floor represent old stuff, and with old stuff I want to tell you the tour guide here told us this house, this place used to be a British time ka old ghar, like बहुत पुराना घर, like almost 100 साल के पुराना. And the owner is the one who is doing the first exhibition here, and he I think is representing the old aesthetic here. So I am not sure, but I think so. So we have this painting, and this painting says who resides in this house of mine, and in all three different languages: Bengali, Hindi, and Urdu. I think this is not a proper painting. It's made with something like fabric or something. I can't touch it, but it's made with like fabric pieces sewn together and all. And this, I don't know what it's supposed to represent, but it say who resides in this house of mine. So I think it's too late, and now we should go and eat something. I'm really hungry. Let's go.
Just sound like a stranger, so far away from me.
सो हम लोगों ने ऑटो किया, उसके बाद ऑटो ने थोड़ा पहले उतार दिया। अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं दिस कोरियन जापानीज प्लेस कॉल्ड सोयम। एंड लेट मी टेल यू, वहाँ का एक तिरामिसू croissant है। If you ever visit that place, just go and have that tiramisu croissant. It's so good. If you like that coffee flavor, I will show you in a bit. So currently I'm walking legit. I have to walk wearing heels, but my heels are small, so it's fine. I'm here with my friend and we are walking. And I know the lighting and angle is very bad. I'm really sorry for that. So
To the sky, the summer was alive, going to the end of time. I can see the light, eyes were perfect. Is it really the end? Just so like
So this is the location. इसके multiple outlets हैं and I have visited this place 2 times. I like this place, so let's go. So this is a very cozy cafe, but the best thing about this cafe is their desserts. I love their dessert. They do desserts so well, especially the croissant, tiramisu, and the tiramisu. They are awesome, just awesome. Just look at them. They are so good. So there are 2 floors. I'm sitting on the second floor. We are finally here and they have given us 3 menus, one for food, beverage and barbecue. We are not having barbecue, so we will look at this and for sure I'm gonna have my favorite tiramisu croissant. Whenever I visit this place, I order this must try. Okay. So our food has arrived. So it's their spicy miso soup ramen, but it's not that spicy and it's just so good. ramen एक बाउल में आया था, हम लोग उसको 1/2 करवा लिया है, so it's easy to eat. And so let me show you. Here's our food and it's really good. So it's the tiramisu croissant that I was talking about. This is heavenly. If you like coffee flavor and ज़्यादा स्वीट चीज़ें नहीं पसंद बट स्वीट पसंद है, हैव दिस. इसके अंदर क्रीम बहुत अच्छा है एंड इट्स आर रैमेन जिसको हम लोगों ने डिवाइड करवा दिया एंड इट्स अ वेज रैमेन. सो वी आर हैविंग आवर फूड. The food here is so good. It's my third or fourth time coming. Ramens are really good. Desserts are really good. Must try.
don't you think that I can see you anxiously? Try not to catch a glimpse of me. Don't you worry, it's okay to take a peek. See the magic words now, pretty please. Yeah, you try to hide it, and you've gotten curious. So let your feelings out, stop playing dumb. 'Cause you know
So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. It was a small cozy day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot. Bye.